Welcome to our video on how to make money on the side. In today's economy, many people are looking for ways to supplement their income. Whether you're saving for a big purchase, paying off debt, or just looking to make some extra cash, there are plenty of opportunities out there. In this video, we'll explore some of the best ways to make money on the side, from freelancing to starting your own business. First up, let's talk about freelancing. If you have a skill or talent that others might find valuable, you can offer your services as a freelancer. This could include anything from writing and editing to graphic design, web development, or social media management. As a freelancer, you'll have the flexibility to work on your own schedule and choose the projects that interest you. You can find clients through online platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr, or by networking with people in your industry. Freelancing can be a great way to make money on the side, but it does require some effort to build up your client base and establish yourself as a reliable and skilled professional. Another option for making money on the side is starting your own online business. This could be anything from selling products on Etsy or Amazon to creating your own website or blog. With an online business, you'll have the freedom to work from anywhere and set your own hours. However, it does require some upfront investment and a lot of hard work to get started. In the next segment, we'll dive deeper into the world of online businesses and explore some of the best ways to get started. Welcome back to our video on how to make money on the side. In the last segment, we talked about freelancing and starting your own online business. Now, let's dive deeper into the world of online businesses and explore some of the best ways to get started. One of the most popular ways to make money online is through e-commerce. This could include selling products on Amazon, Etsy, or your own website. With e-commerce, you'll need to find a product to sell, source it from a supplier, and set up a website or storefront to sell it. You'll also need to handle shipping and customer service. Another option for making money online is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on any sales you generate. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll need to find a niche that you're passionate about and build an audience through a blog, social media, or other channels. You can then promote products that are relevant to your audience and earn a commission on any sales you generate. Finally, you could consider creating and selling your own digital products, such as ebooks, courses, or templates. This can be a great way to leverage your expertise and create a passive income stream. Whatever type of online business you choose, it's important to remember that it will take time and effort to build up your audience and generate income. But with persistence and hard work, it's possible to create a successful online business that can provide a steady stream of income on the side. In the next segment, we'll explore some other ways to make money on the side, including renting out your home or car and participating in the gig economy. Welcome back to our video on how to make money on the side. In the last segment, we talked about online businesses. Now let's explore some other ways to make money on the side, including renting out your home or car and participating in the gig economy. One of the easiest ways to make money on the side is by renting out your car. Services like Turo and Getaround allow you to rent out your car to others when you're not using it. This can be a great way to earn some extra cash, especially if you have a car that you don't use very often. However, it's important to make sure you're comfortable with the risks involved, such as damage to your car or liability issues. Another option for making money on the side is by renting out your home on Airbnb or other vacation rental platforms. This can be a great way to earn some extra cash, especially if you live in a popular tourist destination. However, it's important to make sure you're comfortable with the risks involved, such as damage to your property or liability issues. You'll also need to be prepared to handle the responsibilities of being a host, such as cleaning and communicating with guests. Finally, you could consider participating in the gig economy by delivering food or driving for ride-sharing services like Uber or Lyft. This can be a great way to earn some extra cash on your own schedule. However, it's important to make sure you're comfortable with the risks involved, such as liability issues and wear and tear on your car. There are also plenty of other gig economy opportunities out there, such as dog walking, pet sitting, or freelance photography. Whatever gig economy opportunity you choose, it's important to make sure you're comfortable with the risks involved and that you're able to balance it with your other commitments. In the next segment, we'll explore some other ways to make money on the side, including renting out your skills and participating in the sharing economy. Welcome back to our video on how to make money on the side. In the last segment, we talked about renting and the gig economy. Now let's explore some other ways to make money on the side, including renting your skills and participating in the sharing economy. One of the best ways to make money on the side is by renting out your skills. This could include anything from tutoring and coaching to consulting and freelance writing. To get started, you'll need to identify your skills and find clients who are willing to pay for them. You can do this through online platforms like Upwork or Freelancer, or by networking with people in your industry. Another option for making money on the side is by participating in the sharing economy. This could include renting out your driveway on Just Park or your storage space on Storemates. You could also consider renting out your tools or equipment on Fat Llama or your clothes on Rent the Runway. The sharing economy can be a great way to monetize assets that you already own, and it can also be a more sustainable and environmentally friendly way to consume. Finally, you could consider participating in the sharing economy by using services like bike sharing or car sharing. This can be a great way to save money on transportation costs and reduce your carbon footprint. Whatever sharing economy opportunity you choose, it's important to make sure you're comfortable with the risks involved and that you're able to balance it with your other commitments. In the final segment, we'll recap some of the best ways to make money on the side and offer some tips for getting started.